everyone, thank you for joining me here today. This is Thomas at mgmclassiccars.com, and I'm coming to you from Addison, Illinois. I have the pleasure of showing you this 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS 396 car. Don't know if it's a real SS. I'm not advertising it as a real SS, so it is what it is. It's a beautiful factory color. It's pewter silver, code 14 on the cow tag, and that's what this baby is currently wrapped in. Pewter silver, beautiful paint job out of Kentucky. There's not a blemish on this paint. Now I'll walk around and just show you guys as well. Beautiful paint job. I love the black pinstripe that they did. Gives it a really cool touch to the car. You could remove it if you wanted to. We could remove it for you as well. Factory vinyl top car. Excellent chrome. Sorry about that. I had a phone call. Excellent chrome emblems, rally wheels, good tires. Nice vinyl top on the car. No bubbling underneath anywhere on the car. Door jambs look great, good, which I'll show you. It's got the vent windows. Novas are very, very popular because of that. Crack them open, you got some cool wind coming through when you're cruising. Nice grille, nice front chrome bumper as well. And I guess the emblem on the side of the fender gave it away, but anyway, you got your sport mirror here, vent windows, nice door handles, verticals have been painted all around. Looks really nice on the car, and this side of the vinyl top is in really good condition. Nice reflection on the paint. Beautiful interior. It's got the SS door panel kit that comes with the wood grain there. But again, I said my piece about that. Nice door jambs, nice door panels. Rockers look good, nice and slick there. Inner door jambs, outer door jambs look excellent. Cluster looks great, nice crystal clear, 89,767 miles. Nice dash, excellent glass throughout the car. Very tight headliner installed properly with the dome light. Nice package tray with the 6x9 seat belts in the back, all intact. And like I said here, rockers look very good. Let's walk around to the other side and check out the passenger. Then I'll pop the trunk and then the engine compartment. Again, door panels look great, like new. Lips on the doors look great. Door sill plates, inner outer jambs look great on the car. And everything in here looks beautiful. Can't deny that. So let's check out the trunk area here. Round key for the trunk, square key for the ignition. Beautiful, clean trunk. It's all been splattered with this correct paint throughout, and quarters are beautiful. All the weather stripping is really nice on the car. Painted under the deck lid as well. Listen, if there was scratches, dings, dents, I would show you guys. This doesn't have it. I like to be transparent and honest with the sales and with all my cars, okay? I'm gonna show you everything as if you were here, okay? There's your spare tire. Let's check out underneath over here. Okay, nice clean dual exhaust. As you can see, it's got the 10-bolt rear end. All right, now, oh, yes, you guys sometimes ask me, how do you put the gas in the car? Right down here, right there, okay? So you're gonna put your license plate here, and it flips down, and then you would put the gas right in there. Okay. To open up the hood is right underneath the Chevrolet emblem, okay? All right, you guys ready? Bam! 396 cubic inches, rated 350 stock factory horsepower. There's your power steering down there. Okay, if you guys don't know, it's right there. That's where you put your power steering fluid. You got your air conditioning unit right here, your booster and master cylinder for the power drum. Well, wait a minute, I think this thing has disc. Yep, disc brakes. Front power disc brakes. Factory manifolds. Edelbrock aluminum intake. Let's see if you can see the carb there. I can't really see under that filter. Beautiful newer alternator. Nice 396, guys. Not a lot of these Novas come with 396s, but they stuffed it in here, man. Look at the latch, painted argent. And it's supposed to be argent from the factory. So what I love about that is that whoever restored this car knew that and paid close attention to detail. Hinges are supposed to be argent if you didn't know. Argent is that dark gray color, okay? And they did it. And that's what I look for. Look how clean this cowl area is. Okay. Let me fire this thing up. It's time for you guys to hear it. Again, the square key is for the ignition. Okay. Working. Wipers function. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Radio's there but doesn't work. The volt gauge right there is not working. And then the heat and defrost. Let's see here. Right now is not functioning. Who needs heat and defrost? I don't. So let's listen to the exhaust. So we're going to repair the left turn signal, and I'm gonna get the heat and air conditioning to function as well. And then also a couple things I want to show you guys. I'm gonna shut it off for now. When you put the lights on, the driver's side light is a lot dimmer than the passenger side, so I'm gonna take care of that as well. Just want you guys to know what's going on. And then when I walk around to the back, I've noticed that the left tail running light is not working, meaning the driver's side. So I will definitely fix that too, okay? So there she is, guys. My 1972, let me shut the lights off. My 1972 Chevrolet Nova 396, power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning, big block 396, automatic transmission, clean interior, pewter silver, code 14 factory, all chrome emblems, bezels look great on the car. Call me, text me at 847-848-1850. We have plenty for you guys to choose from, okay? A lot of these honeys are in stock. Okay, and we have more, and it continues. So if you guys are looking to finance the car, you need a credit score of at least 650 to a 725 with 10% down. Rates start about 5.9, and then if you have a better credit score like 725 and higher, I can get you done with no money down, or if you want to put money down, lower the payment, you can. That's a 15-minute approval. So a couple different lenders for all my cars. It depends on your credit score and your credit profile. So again, my name is Thomas at mgmclassiccars.com. Go ahead, hop on my website, bookmark it. I get new releases all the time. If you want notifications of new releases, just go to YouTube channel, punch up MGM Classic Cars, click the subscribe button on the bottom right, and every time I post a video, you guys are gonna get it. Also, if you're on Facebook a lot, go to Facebook, type in MGM Classic Cars, and like the page, and then you will receive a lot of my stuff on your news feed. So check us out, mgmclassiccars.com. My name's Thomas. I got great reviews. I sell honest vehicles. I'm a 100% seller on eBay. Check out the reviews, guys. You will not go wrong. We do in-house service here at MGM now. We're staffed and we look into the cars and tell you everything about them, like I did for this pretty little big black Nova. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850.